This is what you call nobody can cross it. This is as far as you can see on Old Harbor Road. Nobody can cross it. Yeah. Yep. This is Old Harbor Road. Nobody can cross it. Take a good look, people. This, as far as you can see.
Only my son and I can cross it. And Sister Andrea can cross it.
I tell you.
Nobody else can cross it.
Yeah! You're crossing it!
Some joke from me, I can't make it here.
You're crossing it! Oh!
You should have taken a ride from me. Oh,